Today is another day to claim our daily combo at our hamster combat. So you go to mine. After mine, we look for IT teams. So let's go through our market. Maybe we are going to see our IT teams. So we can't find IT teams in market. So we go to PR and team. So this is the IT teams. This is the first card, IT teams. You click on your first card, you go ahead. So we look for our second card, product team. Product team is the second card. You click on product team. You can go ahead. So our third card, let's go to special. So let's go to special. So our third card is YouTube gold button. So it's the third card you claim. So that's how you click on take your prize. That's how you get to 5 million for today. Thank you.